How to install Google Chrome in Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser. Once you do, there you will see the option of Chrome. Simply search for www.googlechrome.com and go to the official website. There you will see the option of Download Now. Simply click on it. Once you see all the features of Google Chrome, simply accept and install. You will see that option at the bottom left corner. Simply click on it. And after that, shortly the download process will begin. Once the setup folder for Google Chrome has been installed, simply double click on it, agree to the terms and condition, and download will begin. So when the setup file has been downloaded, you can simply choose any one of the logo for Google Chrome. Go to Application List in your Windows 10, double-click on it, and from this prompt choose the option of Start Google Chrome. And there you go. That is how easily you can download Google Chrome in Windows 10. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.